I need to make a tiny crawler track using these wooden sticks, but what am I gonna do to break them down? I wonder if there's something around here that maybe I could use. What is this? Oh, maybe I can use whatever this is. Alright, time to make a little crawler track to go between these stumps here, but first I wonder what's in here. Oh, look at this thing. Look at that. Interesting. Well, it looks like there's quite a bit of useful goodies here. First of all, you see a useful bottle opener here that also happens to have a flathead screwdriver. Could probably double as a can opener. Oh yes, it could. Most definitely could. And then the next big visible thing is, look at this puppy. Ooh. And there's bits right here that you can, look at that. Ooh, that's some nice retention. I like that. And it's held in place with the same mechanism that holds a knife blade in place. I like that. Nice and safe. But that does still give you the ability to go 90 degree if you want to. Just be mindful that it would pivot at that point. Let's put this back in here and then close this puppy up and take a look at what other goodies we might have. Oh, is that Tonto with topo? Tonto with topo? It is. It's some beautiful topographical markings on a equally beautiful Tonto knife, and everybody knows how useful a Tonto is. You can do just about anything with that. That's the kind of shape that you can go to battle with. Ooh, I like it. Good locking mechanism, easy to use with one hand. I love it. Ooh, you can even flick it. I dig it. Alright, let's take a peek what else we have here. Oh, I think this is exactly one of the things I might be needing here. A saw with topographical markings. You know, I like that. When you go the extra, oh, look at that. That is beautiful. And it also has a locking mechanism. I dig that. And then let's take a look around here and see what else oh. Everything's got topo on it. Topographical. So that way, you know the elevation changes as you're opening your can. You know, fishing hook there. For getting things and gutting it. Alright, I dig that. And also locking. Everything locks, so that means you can really go to town when you're, what do we have here? Oh, everybody needs a tiny little, and it's magnetic retention. See, I love when people think things through. You got these teeny weeny little rare earth magnets that just say, hey, I'm gonna hold on to that for you so you don't lose your stuff. And I dig that. And then what the heck is this here? That looks like a whistle with a ferro rod. Holy cow, I ain't never seen a whistle with a ferro rod. I wonder. Let's go with this. See, I want to see some sparky. Okay, well I'm gonna have to use the knife then, because I want to see the sparkies. Okay, I'll be damned. That's teeny weeny, but it works. Órale, way, it worked. And then the whistle. We got tiny little safety orange rape whistle. Okay. That's actually louder than I thought it would be. That actually might be useful. Interesting. Well, I'll be a whistle ferro rod. I've never seen it before, but I'm glad it exists. And the retention on it is beautiful. It holds it nicely. Well, I think I'm going to see if I can do what I need to do here. Completely unnecessary, but yet necessary. Must use the knife to cut everything. Let's see this. Right. Might not even need the saw. This thing's such a beefy beefcake. Orale, use a beefcake. Yes, ooh, ooh. Look at that. That's working beautifully. I'm happy. I'm a happy boy. I'm a happy boy. And this thing is the Maratac orange survival tool. Is the most unique and the most orange and the actually most useful survival tool I've ever seen. Brought to you by Maratac. They got a lot of cool stuff. You can find them over at countycom.com. 2 M's. Alright, time to build a track. Boop.